The magic of CoSpaces EDU is that creations can be viewed in many fun ways. In this tutorial, you'll learn all about the devices you can use to explore with CoSpaces EDU. Desktop computer, laptop, tablet, mobile, virtual or augmented reality. Choose any way to explore a CoSpace and dive in. Let's first view a CoSpace with the most direct and easy way if you're creating on a desktop. Choose a CoSpace to explore from the CoSpaces EDU gallery or from your own creations. Let's see what the animal exhibition we've created looks like. Open it and click play to play the CoSpace and explore it from your computer. Scenes can be explored in different ways depending on the camera movement that was selected when creating. If the camera is fixed, you look around your scene using your mouse or keyboard arrows. If the scene is using the walking camera mode, you walk in the scene using your keyboard arrows or WASD keys. And you can use your mouse to look around. Pressing space on your keyboard also lets you jump. If the scene is using the flying camera mode, you fly above the scene using your keyboard arrows or WASD keys. And you can use the QE keys to change height. You can also use your mouse to look around. If the scene is using the orbit camera mode, you move in a circle on a zone around the center of your scene using your mouse, keyboard arrows, or WASD keys. Click with your mouse to rotate and look around the scene. Click and press space together to move the camera view. Scroll or use plus and minus on your keyboard to zoom in and out of your scene. You can also explore CoSpaces on a mobile or tablet device with the CoSpaces EDU mobile app. On your smartphone or tablet, open a CoSpace in the app and press play. Touch with one finger and move it to look around the scene, and press the arrow to move in your scene. If something has been coded onto an object, simply tap on the object to trigger the action. An even cooler way to explore a CoSpace is using your device's gyroscope. Press this icon to play a scene in gyro mode. Holding your device, move it around to explore the scene and easily look around. Exploring CoSpaces in VR is where the real fun begins. The simplest and often the cheapest way to explore a CoSpace in virtual reality is using a basic mobile VR headset. First, you'll need to get VR goggles that are compatible with your device. This can be a simple cardboard viewer, for example. Open a CoSpace in the CoSpaces EDU mobile app and press play. Then press the VR goggles icon to start the VR mode. Your device will display your content split for your two eyes. Place your smartphone inside your headset and get immersed into VR. Don't be afraid to look around, up, down, and have fun exploring the CoSpace. Some headsets have a button to let you move around the scene, switch between scenes, or interact with the content. You can also experience CoSpaces EDU in VR with more advanced VR headsets. To use CoSpaces EDU on these devices, simply find the CoSpaces EDU app on your device's App Store and install it. Then simply log in with your email and password and step into a new dimension. Note that if you're using CoSpaces EDU with Google Login, you'll have to use your Google email and a password that you set up in CoSpaces EDU. To do this, simply go to your CoSpaces EDU account settings and click Change Password. Type in the password you would like to use and click Save. You can now use your Google email and the password you've set to log in. AR is awesome because it lets you project your content onto the real world. To use augmented reality, you'll need an AR-compatible smartphone or tablet. Open the CoSpace you'd like to explore in augmented reality. At the bottom right corner of your screen, click the AR icon, which looks like this on Android devices and like this on Apple devices. Move your phone to scan your surroundings and to detect a surface to place your scene on. Note that you'll need a flat surface for this and try to avoid solid colors and shiny surfaces. Once a surface is detected, tap your screen to place your scene. Where you tap is where the center of your scene will be placed. You can then resize the scene or rotate it. You can now move around your scene with your device, look at it from a different angle, step back, or come closer. Thanks to AR, you can also project content onto the Merge Cube. Let's choose a CoSpace to view with a Merge Cube in the CoSpaces EDU gallery. CoSpaces for the Merge Cube are indicated with this icon. Hold the cube in one hand and place it in front of your device's camera. You may have to move the cube around before it is detected. Once the CoSpace is placed, you can move the cube to look at the content however you like. Try turning the cube and moving it closer or further from your device. You can also place the cube on a table and only move your device instead. To learn how to create your own content for the cube, watch the Merge Cube add-on tutorial.